Hey, outside today, once again, going for another walk and a hike. Windy outside. Roscoe's chasing squirrels, finding shit to eat off the floor. So it's another day, another day to grow, another day to be aware of you and the not you. Another day to challenge yourself. Another day to do things that you really don't want to do. Or even things that you want to do, you should do. Because it's your day, it's your life, and you own your world. You are the owner of your world. You are the owner of your existence. So hopefully today you're doing what you want to do. Because I'm doing what I want to do, and that's hike, walk, go outside, enjoy what God has created for me to enjoy. Either the good and the bad, who cares, right? Because everything is good even when it's bad. Why is that? Because we woke up today and we're alive once again, and we're able to do what we want to do. We're able to create what we want to create. We're able to change what we want to change. Unless you like and I like my ignorance. Unless you like and I like our unconsciousness. We're all here to grow and get better, not rot and get worse. Because I don't know why. I just know that my mind talks shit to me every day, and I know that is not who I am, and that's not who I want to be, and that's not who I want to become. So every day I challenge the mind and the body. Why? Why not? In order for me to get better and for you to get better, you must challenge your mind, your body. Because when you challenge mind and body, somehow spirit awakens. And it's a little windy, so bear with me. And a lot of the times it's not just about you. You know? Because if you're changing, then the people around you are changing. Changing the words you use, changing the actions you do, changing your habits. I don't expect people to change. I just live a certain life, and I enjoy living the life I'm living. Why? Because as a young kid, my stepfather taught me discipline, right? To wake up early to go to work. He recently passed away. His service is coming up. And that's one thing that I've always held close to my heart about him was he was a hard-working man. He was always on time. And whenever we would do bad things, you know, like in school, like getting fights or just do stupid kid shit, you know, he would always discipline us with either a whooping or we would have to do stuff around the house, you know, cleaning the house or I don't know, just things that need to be done around the house. And you know what that taught me as I got older was to be on time, be disciplined even when you don't feel like it, and to do your job, whatever you're doing, with some type of integrity and some type of respect for the environment and the people around the environment, because the people are the environment. So that's one thing I've always just, been embodying. But he did pass away from like diabetes because he didn't take care of himself. But that's not the positivity. The positivity that he taught me, like I said, was to respect the environment, the people around you, do the job correctly, be on time. So that's how I live my life. I did fall off because, we all go down, not all of us, but a lot of people go down the wrong road. So I fall off because it's people I'm around. And I didn't know that as I was younger, because I just wanted to fit into some type of circle. And I knew it was wrong, and I knew that I felt out of place because I was out of place. Because you can't fit into I can't fit in. I can't speak for you. I can speak for me. I can't fit into things that are not making me better as a person, building my character, making me think, challenging me, because doing that from 19 to my maybe late 20s, early 30s, it did. It affected me because I got too comfortable in my own hell. I got too comfortable in being lazy. I got too comfortable in following the wrong people, trying to be like the wrong people. And as I'm wiser now at 41, we should never look up to nobody. We need to look up to ourselves. Are we being the person that God is grateful for? Are we being the person that God is going to give you strength? Are we being that person? Are we getting strength from God, or are we getting strength from the devil? A lot of the things are from the devil, which was my past. I'm no longer my past. I'm here now in 2025. Who am I being in 2025? A lot of those thoughts do come. They come and go. Everything comes and goes. People, thoughts, places, everything. So what I'm learning is just not to, get stuck, get caught up in the web of the past, or get caught up in the web of the people that used to be in my life and now they're not. There's a reason why they're not. Good morning.
Hello, baby. Oh, okay, I will touch you.
So, just don't get caught up in the web of people that are not building you up, people that are not bringing positivity, people that are not helping you. In reality, we don't really expect no one to help you, because we're all going through something in our life and we're all learning to get through it. But some of us just get to it and stay in it and don't get through it. And that's what I'm learning, man. These hikes are very nurturing. Working out is very nurturing. Going to work is very nurturing. But thoughts do come, because I built that habit over the years of just complaining and judging and being a bitch about things and being so reactive to things, and it's not the way to go for me. The way to go for me is just to continue to watch what's going on inside of me. I've been there before, so why do I keep on reacting a certain way or saying certain words? And I don't have the answer now, but I will have it because I'm working on self. So it's like working on my internal world. Answers do come just out of nowhere. Like the more I search for these answers, the more it's artificial. The more I just, be by myself, go for my little walks that I like doing, go for my bike rides I like doing, answers will come. I'm tired of judging people. I'm tired of comparing myself to people. And I'm just tired of certain things that I had no idea that I was running and walking and talking and acting on. And it is not a way to live for me. It is not for me to grow. It is not for me to get better as a man. So there's a point in life where I realized this a few years ago that I don't want to be around people like that. I don't want to be around half-assed people. I don't want to be around people that judge people. I just don't want to be around those type of people because they're not growing. They're staying the same. When you judge somebody or judge something, you are staying the same. Because think about it, if you judge somebody, then you're stagnant. If you just accept people for who they are and what they are, then you'll grow, and I don't know if it's going on inside of you, but it goes on inside of me a lot, and I'm becoming more aware of it. It's like everything's a judgment, man, and it's not good. So, like I said, if people are doing that, I don't need to be around them. If people are bringing old, immature, ignorant thoughts or actions to my present moment, then I don't need to be around them. Because, like, for instance, like chasing pussy, like, I've never been that guy, and I did try to be that guy because I wanted to fit in somehow, and that's just not something for me. I've always just been to myself, a loner, and I always just did my own thing. And then I thought by having a lot of friends, I may be happier, but I'm not happier. I wasn't happier because they would judge me and they would make fun of me and stuff like that, or just do ignorant shit. And it's like, that's when I was younger. Now I'm older. So if you're still being the same person that how we met 10 or 20 years ago, then why am I around you, and why are you around people like that are doing the same shit, saying the same shit, doing the same thing? They're not growing. Life is about growth. Life is about becoming better. Life is not about being comfortable. Life is about getting better and challenging yourself. It's a very hard thing because we created habits and we latched onto some identities that are just, that somehow has taken over us. It's more than just a physical thing. It's more like a spiritual thing, right? It's all spirit. Some spirits latch onto you, and we have to understand, and I do too, that that's not us. It's something that's just there, and it may always be there. I don't know, Because some thoughts stay longer than other thoughts, and they're not thoughts, they're spirits, you know? Maybe I'm sound crazy, but it is what it is. So some spirits will go if you just observe them. Some spirits always come back and you just observe them, keep observing them, and don't be them. That's all I can say, is just don't be them, just watch. You know how you watch YouTube or you watch TV or you watch Instagram? That's kind of how you watch your thoughts, your emotions. Because why would you get mad over stupid shit? When I see somebody walking, why do I have to fucking judge them, right? It's kind of stupid. When I do something wrong, why do I gotta put myself down? It's pretty fucking stupid. It's pretty ignorant. And it's a curse, and it's a spiritual fucking thing that's going on inside of us, or me, that I'm seeing now, and it's a beautiful thing. I no longer need to be these things because that's not me. I no longer need to react to these things because it's not me. I no longer need to judge these things because it's not me. I know who I am, and I need to live that path and stay in my own lane. So anyway, thank you for listening. Hopefully you learned something from this video. I just babbled on. I'm just gonna finish up my walk. Enjoy the wind, enjoy nature, enjoy the birds, enjoy life. Have a beautiful Saturday. Just do what you like to do in your life, because nobody else is going to do it for you. Have a blessed day.